Hey everyone, Dr. Menta here with another Meant to Be Well Minute. Now, I was recently asked if chiropractic adjustments can help with sleep. So before I answer this very important question, I want to address some important sleep statistics. First of all, 1 in 3 Americans have trouble sleeping at night, and 35% of them don't get the recommended 7 hours of sleep during a typical 24-hour period. Now, some people have trouble sleeping because they just can't shut their brain down, while others can't sleep because they're in pain. Either way, getting rest is very important because it's when we sleep that the body repairs itself. Everything from tissue healing, stress reduction, decreased inflammation, and even brain memory recall are all accomplished when getting adequate amount of sleep. So, if you're having trouble sleeping, please watch my previously recorded Menta Minute episodes number 37 and 63 to get some pointers on getting your Z's. Now, to answer the question if chiropractic adjustments help with sleep, a 2005 study in the Journal of Manipulative Physiological Therapeutics reported that 1/3 of the 176 participants noticed immediate improvement in sleep following regular chiropractic adjustments, while all but one person noticed overall improvement in sleep. Another study from JMPT in February of 2002 also demonstrated a reduction of back pain by 57%, decreased neck stiffness by 59%, and improvement in quality of sleep by 61% of the participants. So here are 2 studies that illustrate the power of chiropractic for improved sleep. In my 24 years of experience, I can also attest to these findings. And here's why. The chiropractic adjustment shuts down the overstimulation of the sympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the fight or flight response, while at the same time increasing the parasympathetic response, the other part of the nervous system which controls rest and sleep. Okay, I hope this answers it for you. Until next time, I'm Dr. Menta. Be well.